Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to attach these heavy duty metal poppers on the leather straps. To attach metal poppers I'll be using hole punching pliers, 2 leather straps, a hammer, tray for poppers, 2 popper setting tools, 4 sets of poppers, a cup popper, a socket popper, a post popper, and a stud popper. First, I will be punching holes in these 2 leather straps. I'm placing my leather strap in the middle of the punching pliers there, and I'm cutting a hole in the middle of the strap there, and repeating same on other leather strap. The holes which I cut on 2 leather straps matches the size of my cup popper and the post popper. Next I will attach my first popper on the leather strap. I'm taking this cup popper, placing that on the right side of the leather, like that. Putting this cup popper on a smooth side of the tray. Taking this setting tool. Taking the socket popper, placing that socket popper on the top of the cup popper, pressing them together quite tightly. Putting the setting tool in that hole in the middle there. And now I'm hammering both poppers together. It's still quite loose, so we'll repeat the process. I'm doing the circular movements to attach both poppers properly. And here's my first finished popper. Next I will attach other popper on other strap. On this strap, so cup popper goes on the top of the other strap. First I'm attaching this post popper. I'm putting that post popper through that hole on the left side, so the post is on the right side, and this stud popper I'm placing on the top of the post, turning my tray to other side so the post goes on that side, taking the stud setting tool, inserting that stud setting tool on the top of the stud popper like that, and I'm hammering both poppers together. The popper still looks a little bit loose, as you can see there, so I'll repeat same process to make sure the popper is attached properly. And here's my second popper finished. They both look like that. Very nice and neat finish and really good quality. If you have any questions how to attach these heavy duty metal poppers, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.